Well, the city says it is prepared to take action in communities where the virus cases are rising at a disturbing rate.
The clusters are in several neighborhoods in Queens and Brooklyn. CBS 2's Aundrea Cline-Thomas live in Bensonhurst with more on this today. Aundrea.
Well, Christine and Maurice, we drove around a lot of those affected neighborhoods in southern Brooklyn here, and we weren't able to see firsthand those enforcement efforts, as the city said, began today. We can tell you, though, that here in Bensonhurst, the infection rate stands at just over 6%. Very concerning, especially since those numbers continue to rise. And the governor says all of this could have been avoided.
More testing is now available, including those with rapid results in neighborhoods where the coronavirus infection is increasing at an alarming rate.
I think people are relaxing, thinking, the virus is gone or it's not as serious as when it started.
Daily infections hit 3.25% citywide, a rate not seen since early June. Health officials are monitoring 12 specific zip codes known as clusters in southern Brooklyn and parts of Queens. Governor Cuomo says the new cases did not just happen out of nowhere.
What happened in these clusters? There wasn't compliance, and the city didn't enforce it.
Now the city claims it's ready to get tough.
We will have to prohibit gatherings, except for very small gatherings. If necessary, we will have to close non-essential businesses.
This weekend, the sheriff's department shut down a number of illegal gatherings and handed out masks. It's part of a larger enforcement effort.
There'll be 350 people on the ground today, including our test and trace corps, community engagement specialists. We have 7 sound trucks out across the cluster area, and we're making robocalls.
After days of warnings and education in some neighborhoods, the rate of infection continues to rise. Many of the communities are home to large Orthodox Jewish populations, some of whom feel unfairly targeted.
I don't care what your political opinion is at one point. I don't care what your religious opinion is. Mask wearing is a law.
New York City has come back from the brink and knows how to beat this virus. Now it's just a matter of everyone doing their part.
It's important to note that the city is a long ways away from having herd immunity. That means that most people still have not been infected by this virus, so precautions need to be taken every single day. Governor Cuomo will be meeting with Orthodox leaders from across the state to discuss a rise in these cases. Reporting live from Bensonhurst, Brooklyn, Aundrea Cline-Thomas, CBS 2 News.
Aundrea, thank you.